gals, Mama Bear here with a daily dash of life. If you're new to my channel, I'd like to send out a big welcome to you. And if you're one of my 12-gallon cup drinkers, welcome back. If you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button to get any notifications of my latest videos. There are so many ways to make picadillo. Each household makes it their way. And this is my recipe. The recipe that Papa asks for all the time. So let's get started. I will of course leave the ingredients in the description box below, but first what you want to do is on a medium-high heat, melt down some butter and toss in your peppers. You're going to let those cook a little bit and get a little soft before adding your garlic. Now keep in mind, you never want to burn your garlic and end up with your bitter beer face. Time to add the star of the show, and that is your stewed meat. Give the meat some time to cook and brown and stir occasionally. After that, you're going to add your seasonal, your comino, your garlic powder, and your onion powder. You don't need to add salt because that's already going to be in your seasonal, and you don't want this to be overly salty. Mix your seasonings in well. Allow your meat to continue to cook. Next, you're going to add in your corn. You're adding in all of the harder stuff first and allowing that to soften. And you want to put in all the stuff that softens really fast and easy at the end. After your corn has had some time to heat, you're going to toss in your diced tomatoes and allow all of that to get to a rapid simmer. Once your stew has gotten to a rapid simmer, then you're going to start tossing in your cilantro. Once you've gotten that covered, you're going to add in your tomato sauce, mix it in, and then you're going to lower your heat to a medium-low setting. Once you're at your medium-low setting, cover and simmer for 1 hour. Once your hour's up, just pull that cover off and test your meat. If it's at your desired tenderness, then you know you're good. If not, then cover it up and let it sit for another 15 minutes. And continue to do this until you've reached your desired tenderness. When and only when your meat has reached its desired tenderness, that's when you will add your squash and zucchini for the last 5 to 7 minutes of the cooking process. Now I like to go more towards the 5 minutes because I still like a little bit of crispiness in my squash and zucchini, but those two things get overly cooked really fast, so you have to be careful not to put that in too early. And then you're done. All you have to do is take the cover off once your squash and zucchini are cooked. Once those 5 to 7 minutes have passed, take your cover off and serve. Papa Bear likes his over Mexican rice. I like mine with mashed potatoes, and sometimes we just have it in a bowl going solo, just as a nice stew. Then we wash it down with a really tasty homemade horchata. I will leave the link to that video in the description box below, or you could just click on the thumbnail at the end of this video. I hope you learned something new today that you didn't know yesterday. Enjoy! Toodles! This has been Mama Bear with a daily dash of life. And as always, don't forget to spice up yours. May God bless you. Thanks for watching. To subscribe, click my watermark and click any video icon for more videos or to start a playlist. Check out bonus footage at Instagram and Twitter at A Daily Dash of Life. Toodles!